Hi guys, you're watching JT Jones. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and by the way, click on the bell icon so that you receive daily notifications.
I recently made a video on wallpaper apps and it got a good response, so I'm back with one such video. What's happening guys, this is Jones here back with another video, and in this video we will see how to use drone footage as your phone's live wallpaper. So without any further delays, let's get started. The app name is Aerial Live Wallpapers and they have a huge collection of drone footage. The app is subdivided into places like San Francisco, New York City, Los Angeles, London, Leva, Hong Kong, Hawaii, Greenland, Dubai and China. Now let me show some examples. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones and I'm signing off.